As we enter November, many of us turn to thoughts about the holiday period and the forthcoming Thanksgiving holiday. The November issue of the American Journal of Psychiatry provides a break from some of these thoughts and some of the burdens we might have by showing a fascinating array of papers that deal with some of the most pressing issues in mental health today. As brain imaging research continues to advance, clinicians increasingly wonder when our imaging findings are going to be relevant to the day-to-day practice of psychiatry. Chung and colleagues report new findings that begin to provide clues about these questions. They examine the relations between patterns of brain function in resting state fMRI and the unique response to antipsychotic medications among patients with a psychotic disorder. And while findings are intriguing and somewhat preliminary, they are most important because they suggest a pathway by which future findings might lead to clinical insights. And that pathway involves embedding imaging studies in clinical trials so that we can link treatments to underlying biomarkers. A particularly important topic in the journal concerns underserved populations and the mental health problems they experience. Chung and colleagues report important data that examine changes in incidence in schizophrenia and other psychotic disorders. The key insight to arise from the study suggests that the overall incidence of schizophrenia is relatively stable. However, different demographic groups of individuals are showing different patterns of rising or lowering incidence over recent years. And this should alert clinicians to attend to underserved populations and increase their efforts to get patients in need into the hands of providers who can help them.